What's up, y'all? It's your boy Ron P. So today I want to talk to y'all about being a content creator and the struggles of being a content creator. What's up, y'all? Appreciate y'all tuning back into the channel. Make sure if this video was helpful to you at all, you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment if you need any help, any advice, anything that I can do to help y'all. That's what I'm here for. So make sure you leave a comment, and let's just jump into today's video. The first step to being a content creator is actually just doing it. Just turning that camera on, hitting record, and just making content. Make content that you're actually interested in. Don't always make content based on what this person want to see or this person want to see. Stay true to yourself. Make content that you feel like, I watch this. This is entertaining. Just close your eyes and shoot for the stars. Make content that you're interested in watching and that you would want to see. So another thing is equipment. A lot of people have doubts about being a content creator because they feel their equipment isn't up to par. Well, nowadays you don't need all of these lights and fancy cameras and all of this stuff. I mean, a lot of people are doing content off of their phones nowadays. If you don't want to use your phone, I recommend personally the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. That's a good camera to use. It's light, it's handheld, and you don't have to get all of these big giant cameras and these Canons and these Sonys. I mean, yes, and in the future you want to, invest in things like that, but just starting off, you don't need all of these expensive items to start doing podcasts or skits or just talking videos on YouTube. You don't need all of that. Another thing about being a content creator is being consistent, staying consistent. And that is the most important thing. I always tell people the consumer isn't loyal. They don't owe you anything to come to your channel. If you decide to put out a video in January and you decide, I'm gonna do another one in March, I might not want to come back. So the biggest thing is staying consistent, and that can be hard sometimes because we do have lives and things going on. Some of you have kids. So the best thing is to try to put yourself on a schedule, try to at least upload a video once a week at least, you know what I mean? But you want to stay consistent. Consistency is the key to success. All right. So the next topic I want to talk about is a big one for me. Pause. Love what you do, not the views. Okay. Don't make videos and content based on how many views you think it's going to get. Make videos that you really genuinely like, or you're having fun making this videos. They say when you have fun doing what you love to do, it's not work. You know what I mean? So don't just make videos because you're trying to get likes and shares and all of that stuff. Yes, that's the end goal. But in the beginning, you just want to make content and things that you're actually into. Stay consistent. I cannot stress that enough. You have to stay consistent. And if you want to get monetized on YouTube, which is a whole nother video I'm going to do, if you want to get monetized on YouTube, you definitely have to stay consistent, because also it helps with the algorithm. It helps with YouTube knowing how to push your videos, and it shows that you're active content creator, so make sure you stay consistent. So another thing is know your niche. Okay, know your niche. Know what videos you're making and what audience you're making them for. Okay, so if you are a cooking channel, you can't promote your videos in auto mechanic or into baseball and things like that, so like know your audience and know what you're making. Know that your channel is a certain thing, so when I go to your channel, I know I'm going to expect to see cooking videos. I know I'm going to learn about recipes. I know I'm going to learn about, you know what I mean? So just make sure that whatever your channel is, you kind of stick to that niche, know your audience, and it'll help with you promoting your videos. Because if you know that you're a cooking channel, I know what kind of audience I need to market my videos to. You understand what I'm saying? So make sure you know your niche. So another thing, and I cannot stress this enough, being a content creator, you have to be yourself. Don't try to be somebody who you think they want you to be. Don't try to be somebody who you think is funny. Like, be yourself, because how can we grow to love you if you're not being yourself? You know what I mean? So you have to be yourself and don't lose yourself trying to impress your audience. You know what I mean? So you have to continue to be yourself, daytime, nighttime, summertime, wintertime. Be yourself, because either they're going to love you or they're going to hate you. But we want to have our own genuine opinion. The worst thing is to do is fall in love with a content creator and then you meet them, they're nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? So just always stay true to yourself, stay true to you. Don't lose yourself in this social media content, all of that stuff, because it can happen. Last but not least, interaction. Make sure you interact with your viewers. Ask them questions. If they leave comments, respond to some of their, sometimes it's hard to get to everybody, but if you can, respond to some of your comments and let people know, like, hey, I'm a real person, and people will watch your videos if they feel like, oh, he's a genuine person, or he's down to earth, or I can approach him, or I can talk to him, so make sure that when you do these videos, be prepared to interact with your fans. Don't expect them to subscribe to the channel, like the video, but you won't even comment back to them, or you won't even, reach out to them. So be genuine and reach out and ask them questions. Ask them, hey, what do you guys want to see on this channel? Or what do you guys think I can work on? Or you know what I mean? So interaction is key. So make sure you're interacting with your viewers and your subscribers, and that way you can grow your family, your community on your social media accounts and your videos. So that was just a couple things I feel that can help you being a content creator. So make sure, if this video was helpful for you guys at all, that you subscribe to the channel, and make sure that you leave a comment. If you have any questions or anything that I can help you guys on, make sure you leave a comment. I'll reach back out to you. All of my social medias is on the screen right now, so make sure you follow me on my social medias. And I hope you guys the best. I'm still working at it. I'm not a pro myself. I mean, I'm still trying to figure this out. But as I learn, I'm going to teach you guys, and you guys can do what you want to with the information. But until the next time, ladies and gentlemen, I am out. Y'all stay blessed. Peace.